Hello everybody, this is Brother Ro coming to you from Financial Empowerment. Yes, and I'm here to add value and to empower you financially. Alright, today I want to talk about NIO, the Chinese EV stock. EV stands for electric vehicles. Alright, so I have a little over 13% of my entire portfolio in this stock. Also, I have about 20% of one of my other other portfolio, Apple, and that's huge. So, NIO did good today. It went up some, but I'm still down on NIO. NIO was trading last month for like almost $66 plus, and then it fell to almost $30 a share. And what I did, I buy on the down average. On the downward average, I end up buying more of NIO stocks. Now, NIO is not the only EV car company that's out there, but I did some technical analysis and some fundamental analysis, and I happen to like NIO. It's the only electric vehicle that has a battery swap, where you could drive in for 3 minutes and your battery can be changed and you're on your way again. Even Tesla does not have that. Plus NIO also has where you could charge your battery, standard charging point, and so on. Alright, so let's look at NIO. NIO also is partnering with some companies. They are very creative. In the second half of this year, they will be trying to get into the European market, and the European market in terms of electric vehicles is ahead. They're way ahead of America. Yeah, places like Sweden and Norway, per capita, they are way ahead. And so China has about 1/6 of the world's population and the second largest economy in the world, second to the United States. I remember I was in Africa in 2018. The hotel that I stayed in was run by the Chinese own. The stadium that we had the conference in was just built a few years ago by the Chinese company. I remember some years ago I was in Lesotho in South Africa, and I saw Chinese building roads and so forth. You know, they are everywhere. And they're looking also, NIO is looking to enter into the US market. So I am bullish on NIO, all right? And guess what? Only about 3% of all electric cars make up 3 or 4% of all the cars in the world. So you talk about over 95% of room to run in terms of the EV space, and almost every conventional car dealer or manufacturer is making the transition from combustion engine to electric vehicles. They say once it was horsepower, now it's chip power. And what has happened, why NIO fell, and not only NIO, but most of these EV, because of the shortage of what we call semiconductors. And NIO will be closing the plant, one plant will be closed for 5 days. That's temporary. And people get bent out of shape, and they're selling NIO, and they're crying and getting out. Look, if NIO goes to $20, I am sticking with it, and I'm going to buy on the average, as an average down. Okay? So now, what happened? They said in 2030, 26 million cars will be sold annually, EV cars. That will make up 28% of all cars in the world, all vehicles rather. And 2050 rather, yeah, 40% of every car sold will be an electric vehicle. Okay, so that is awesome. All right, so let's see what NIO did in terms of partnering. Here what it says here. Metro AG entered the Chinese market in 1996, according to the Chinese, the company Chinese website. To date, the company has opened 96 shopping malls in China, employing more than 11,000 people and serving 17 million customers in about 60 cities. In February, NIO signed a similar deal with Red Star McAlpine Group to jointly build 60 charging stations and battery swap stations. According to the report, Red Star McAlpine Group is a furniture retail giant and real estate conglomerate. So they are joining up with all these furniture stores. When you go to the furniture store, right next door will be a swapping station. When you go to the mall, right next to the mall will be a swapping station. And they intend to even build more. So I am bullish on NIO, and I think NIO is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Now, look at this here. Up until now, NIO has deployed 193 swapping stations, 134 supercharging stations, and 327 destination stations across China. It has almost given access to over 380,000 third-party charging piles. With the expansion of energy supply network, NIO plans to raise the number of battery swapping stations to 500 by the end of 2021. That is huge. The EV maker launched the second generation battery swapping station at the NIO Day held last month. The station can accommodate 13 battery packs and is capable of providing up to 312 battery swaps per day, 3 times more than the previous generation. According to NIO, the stations will be deployed from the second quarter. So look what NIO is doing. They are fundamentally strong, seemingly no scandal, solid company, very creative, very innovative, and I am hedging on NIO. All right, so now let's look at my portfolio quickly. NIO traded today for $37.97, almost $38 a share. It's climbing back up, and today it went up by 5.74%. After market, it went up by 1.2%. 1.12%. Okay. So I invested heavily in NIO because I believe in the company, all right? And it cost me $20,568.92. That's my investment right now in NIO. That's equivalent to 450 shares. The average cost was $45.71. My market value is $17,086.50. That if I were to sell NIO right now and get out, that's what it will be sold for. But I will still be at a loss, even though today return was $1,107. My total return is minus $3,482.42, which is almost 17%. So let's hope NIO goes back up to, you know, $50, $60. Some analysts project, and banks and different people suggest that NIO could hit $70 by the end of the year. Nobody knows, but I think they are fundamentally strong, and I will stick with NIO. Listen, this is your boy, Brother Ro, saying, listen, I won't like you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and even though I love NIO, this is just for entertainment purpose and to take you along my journey. I'm not a financial advisor. Please invest at your own risk, but I gonna stick with NIO. All right, listen, tonight this is Brother Ro, financial empowerment, add value, listen, and inform you of financial empowerment and what is the journey to financial freedom. All right, so listen, stay safe, hit the subscribe, smash the like, leave a comment. It helps with the algorithm. I have over 300 subscribers. I started this journey less than 3 months ago. So let's see where it go. All right. Listen, stay safe, stay healthy, and focus forward. Listen, stay blessed, be blessed, and have a good night. Bye now.